Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how I prepared these air fried chicken drumsticks along with these really spicy air fried potato wedges as well. So to start off this recipe, you're going to need some potatoes and also some chicken drumsticks. I ended up using chicken drumsticks with the skin on. Also, a very important thing to do with the chicken is to add in some slits, which basically means, as you can see on the screen, the chicken has like these holes in it. Literally cut your chicken until you touch the bone. This allows the chicken to cook all the way through. So when it comes to the seasonings for the chicken, I ended up using some salt, black pepper, chili flakes, paprika and also some parsley. And then I also used some fresh minced garlic along with some olive oil as well. So for the potato wedges, I kept it pretty simple, but they did actually end up turning out like really spicy. I used some olive oil, fresh garlic, chili flakes, black pepper, parsley and also some paprika. Also, not to forget, I used some salt as well. I'm just thinking now it would have been a lot easier to marinate the chicken drumsticks and the potatoes all at once, considering I did cook them together. So to make life easier, it would definitely be better to just add in all your seasonings with both your potatoes and chicken all at once. So considering the drumsticks were really big meaty pieces, I decided to cook them on the roast setting on 180 for 30 minutes. Once preheated, I added in the chicken drumsticks. You can either allow the drumsticks to marinate overnight, but I simply just cooked them straight away. And now the easiest part is once everything is in your air fryer, allow it to cook. I ended up checking on everything halfway through and also made sure to flip everything. What I would also recommend as well, halfway through cooking, which is now, I would definitely recommend adding in some more slits in your chicken so it does cook evenly. And then after the 30 minutes, the chicken and the potatoes will both be cooked. I honestly can't even explain how good everything tasted. The chicken was so tender and was literally cooked all the way through, and then the soft potatoes was just like a bonus on top. I ended up serving this with some fresh salad and it was honestly amazing. There's a lot of different ways that you can serve this dish. It can literally be a side dish, main dish. I would definitely serve this chicken with some rice or even some naan bread. And then knowing me, I'll use the leftover chicken in some pasta. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.